Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a quiz which is related to a basic expression which is very simple, and we have to solve this expression and get the correct answer. So here we have two options like two or three. Maybe some of you say the answer is two, or maybe some of you say the answer is three. So if you are going the wrong way, you will solve this question in wrong way. So you will get the wrong answer. And if you follow correct rules to solve this expression, so you will get the correct answer. So now we will see how we can solve this simple expression and find the correct result. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start the topic. So just recall our the rule which we will follow and solve this expression. So as you know, we have the PEMDAS and BODMAS method. And as you can see on the screen, if you are using the PEMDAS or BODMAS, so you will get the same answer and correct answer to solve this type of expression. So as for understanding, we can see like on the screen, like if you are using the BODMAS, so you will say the B for bracket, which means that if your expression is contains bracket, so you have to solve that part first. And if after that you have to solve the order or exponent, you can say like if your expression has x square or root, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Similarly, for division and multiplication, you have to follow the left to right rule. As you can see on the screen, like here you have to follow the left to right rule to solve the division, multiplication, and addition, subtraction. So what we can say, like you cannot say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve the division first. Or someone says like I'm using the PEMDAS, so I will still solve the multiplication. No, like division and multiplication has same precedence, so you will solve either division or either multiplication. But what is the rule? You have to follow the left to right, this part, and you follow the expression like left to right, and after that you will see the division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So for addition and subtraction, you will follow the same rule. You have follow the left to right and find out which operation is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to follow the division first, and if subtraction is coming first, so you have to subtract the in the expression. So now move forward the solving this expression. So as you can see, we have 22 plus 2 divided by 2. So maybe some of you say like I will solve the 2 plus 2, not follow any order of operation or something. I will say that 4 divided by 2, and you will say like I'm getting the answer is 2. So this answer is not correct. Like the answer, this 2 is not correct. This is wrong answer. So here we have to see like how you can solve. So as you can see on the screen, we will follow the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. So according to the rule of PEMDAS, we have to see the bracket first in the expression. But you can see on the screen like we do not have any bracket. And again, after that, we will solve the exponent and square root. So if you see on the screen, so we do not have like square root or root in the expression. So now we will solve the division or multiplication after this. So we will go left to right. Here we will go the left to right. So we will go to left to right and find out which is coming first. So as per use the rule, you have the division like sign, and you have to solve the division first. You cannot solve this addition first. You have to solve the division first. So here we will say like 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. And after solving this part, we will get the answer is 3. So this answer is correct answer. This is correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this easy expression and get the correct result. So the answer of this expression is 3. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.